Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books and if you like to watch videos about books, then keep watching this channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. It's a tag video where I have a set of questions that I want to answer. I was tagged by Helly Chatterjee for this Indian book tag. So I have some questions related to Indian books that I'm going to answer, and a lot of those answers are like, which is why I kind of delayed doing this tag for a long time, but I really wanted to do it, so let's get started. Number one question is, which is the first Indian book that you read? I read You Can Win by Shiv Khera. It's actually Punjabi language. It's a book that is available in a lot of different languages. It's a self-help book that helps you build self-confidence, and that is what the book is about. I absolutely loved that book. I do not have the copy because I borrowed the book from a teacher of mine, but yeah, it's an absolute favorite of mine, and I'm like so thankful to myself that I remember that. Question number 2. Who is your favorite female Indian author? I love the author of Palace of Illusions, Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. I feel like the way she has written that book, I haven't seen that kind of writing in India that much. So I really like that book, and I really like that author. Who is your favorite male Indian author? Now again, I still am looking for the standard. I'm looking for like some amazing books. Obviously there are some awesome authors like Amitav Ghosh, Arvind Adija, but still I do not have like an obsession with them, and until then I feel like I cannot really give you my favorite. Okay, I can take some names. I like Ruskin Bond, I like Arvind Adija. I loved how he wrote The White Tiger. So yeah. Number 4, worst Indian author. Honestly, I have a huge list of that. I feel like every author who thinks that he doesn't need to read, he doesn't need to rework on his books, and who thinks that he is the best author in the world, that author is the worst Indian author. And every author whose reaction to a negative review is something like that. You know what? I have written a great book and a lot of people love it. There's something wrong with you for you didn't like it. You are a pathetic person. Like, the author is a pathetic person. That is, those kind of authors are the worst. They should be banned from earth. Number 5, favorite book in a regional language. I feel like I have to read a lot of books in a regional language to have a favorite. But if I have to say my current favorite, it's Arthala by Vivek Kumar. I was like blown away with the kind of book I found originally written in Hindi. I was like really happy about it, and I feel like if I keep discovering more books like this in regional languages, originally written in regional languages, and I don't know what has happened to my speech today. I cannot speak properly. Probably because it has been a long time since I shot any videos. Number 7 question. Number 6 question. Favorite Indian poet. I feel like I haven't read many, but I really like Rabindranath Tagore, which I read in school. But if you say what is the current poetry that you loved a lot, I really like The Glimpse of the Truth, and I'll link all of the the books that I'm naming. I'll link them down below so that you know what I'm talking about. Number 7, latest Indian book that you read. So currently I'm just about to finish 3000 Stitches by Sudha Murthy. Now it's a collection of short stories inspired from the real life of the author, and they are amazing. Gave me so many video ideas. Such an amazing book. So that is the one. And we are on the last question, guys, and the last question is Indian authors in your TBR pile. So I have a lot of Indian authors. My TBR pile video is coming up very soon. It's going to be very tough to actually make that video, but yeah, you can watch that. I have a lot of Indian authors, but I do want to read more of Ruskin Bond, more of Sudha Murthy, more of, yeah, that's it. Ruskin Bond and Sudha Murthy. These are the 2 authors that I want to read more. And yes, that's it. Now you are ideally supposed to tag somebody else for such a video, but I feel like Helly actually tagged everybody. Everybody I know. So I am not tagging anyone. But if you are a booktuber from India, then you are most welcome to pick up this tag video and do it. Originally created by Helly Chatterjee. I'll link her channel down below as well, so you can check that out. Thank you so much for watching this fun tag video. I haven't done a tag video since a long time, so I'm like really happy with that. Like, I actually shot it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do let me know if you want me to do some other tag video, if you want me to do some other challenge video which is related to booktube. If you have any ideas, if you have any requests, please comment down below and hit a thumbs up. If you like this video, this is Manpreet signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.